Good morning. So let's discuss this numerical. So you have two wires of same length and same area, but of different Young modulus. So the relationship between the Young modulus is given as the Young modulus of steel is double that of brass. Now, once the weights are put on the respective wires, it is found that the end point remains the same, which means delta L is same for both the wires. Also, the length of wires was same. So we can calculate that strain developed in brass wire and the strain developed in steel wire is same. Apply the formula of Young modulus is equal to stress upon strain and calculate using algebraic expression. You will get that the mass of steel should be double the mass of brass for this to happen. Because the Young modulus is different, but the strain is common, the only variable which can happen is the weight, because the area is also common. So if you divide if you equate strain in steel to the strain in brass, you can find the mass which is required for steel and the mass required for the brass so that the strain is equal. Thank you very much.